wa mra nipa no wankɔbɔ abusua ma ne ontunu tin sanya ne ho hwe a mobɔ ka
DLFM
kyerɛ wo sɛ sɛ opɛ sɛ no obi ba enante a ɛsɛ okohu abusua no prɛko pɛ ansa na abusua ma ho kwan wontumi mfa apɛ ene obi ba nante sɛ de wo pɛ sɛ wo mpona eni te kokoma ade yo nti ye ya yempa ho toma bedwam betene Ghana mebu na me yahuni sɛ bibia ye normal okurum a nti obi atumi ye de opɛ how much more say who being a student na wotumi ema ho kwan na wo mpona o ma me ni no papa ni mu no na wo de ka besi we say we wie school be che ne ka yei abafro ni mfinhia du nwotwe afi kwa no bi anya be 18 years yakwache ne ka ahihye sika e wo pam de akoma no na mo sa abata na mo yes ade no mo no social media trend na mo pa na se mutiri na abofom
DLFM
I'm just asking mo pe social media trends na se muti na abofom wo ba wa twere nso hwetwa to awie results ni nya mayo se abofra no be pass na se obe fail ni you have no idea about it what she said to an cities sika e wo pam e de flowers aka ho e de akoma ne se wonje wo de bona baso you don't even know the outcome of an results be babonten minimum kind of nkwada ye pese ye raise wo mo Ghana minimum kind of nkwada ye pese wo do ba o manyim na de ye no ho e wo hu sunsuanso bone de maye no wonder say mo frank tenketenke obi apese ko toka dem okruma and the small boys oni ka akra obenya bi opese o de ko han V8 ni o dem na o de ko ne hu so no so ye guy na ye to necessary pressure de maye mo fa no mo ba no ye wi adaache ne okogini sika duro wi na obeka kire ye say o de 200 cedis o de 1 Ghana na o de ye business na wa ye se hunu se ya na yete ne kurom a sa na mo ka kire ye mo ye wi na 1 Ghana cedis tunton change na ma ye 10 cedis me de ye se me de bo susu na me de ye sikani o mo nche bia no kura kwan da tu futuro gu ya ni sa na mebu no pressure sie so the 200 cedis na me de ma ya me kuta 10,000 kura ma ye you see ya besere na Ghana Education Service wo ma che pa wade wo ma che wo hu nya nne na hyase and ya besere say wo moden na wo mfa policies any straight policies mra bonten ya mofra no se de wo nye wo school no mu no nne be kire Ghana dache e mofra no wo SHS na wo ba no wo mo dache wo ma brabo no ene be kire ba bia Ghana fapem be kwakoduro penia ka se mi se enkokura ene mrewa o papa no to fon wa kwahye enchirima dim se enkokura to fonfon wa kwahye enchirima dim o papa bra na wo bo na wanyini na waya akokura ne no wa pass baton na ma wo a wo ye ne ba pani no enti na efie bia no so papa firi mu a wo ba pani na hwe akire mafra ne nyina na obeya agya anase na de mabusua ne nyina sa na brabo ne tie enti ye kwa ye be ne ye kwa SHS ye wi a ebia yemu bia kɔ
antipani to sa kɔ babunu diem
ni to sa kɔ babunu diem no tipani to sa kɔ babunu diem enti bra ye bɔ ne ye kɔ enim na mom di akyi nso ne ba bɛ hye yanan ye kɔ school ye hu ne bi da sɛ me wie school na maame ahyehye sika wɔ pan mu di abrɛ me sɛ matwera me final exams enti me gi show off na ya twitwa de akɔto online for trends na sɛ abɔfra hu ne sɛ sika tumi a sika na ye bibia enti ne ma ye sɛ ɔyere ne ho ye kura no ɔha ne ho kura anya sa ne ma no and Mesre Ghana Education Service ekwenye fa so a moye hyehye se teacher ni bo obi aba onyi permission anso aba no aka ma mofra ni jimi o school pa and se se wo hwesu banya mofra ni den edi we SHS wana ba kwabna akoya de say jungle wo ko na sini high schools ni mo pani akoya de say muaduma krom ho aden atumi chi bi free obi anka obi asem o school ho sabe emmemu anu mpodie nkwase asem ko a sabe nkwasa nko a tasebi unum ni bone nyina wo school ho na ye threat e de ma ma no na ho ba mo nsem na ye dache me de mesre sanka Ghana mpinifo betuma enhyehye ya ye wo hanom na school dodo pi na school abofra ekotu ochechire ne ani ye kan bepem nne yante ho asem bio adenti a ya ma break abofra no nko classroom teacher ni kan on na ye fight watwe knife o school ho ye tu nani orawi heyey Obia check knife dia one yonku school ni
106.9
wakuno bepem ne yenim ba biasem ne akosie ekwan ya omanga na adusuan hyehye ye fa so so mofra no so ne yade a emmo man dache ti mesere won Mr Davis no mpeni for professor eno education minister yem papa halu na idusu mon sorry na ena so den ekoso no mama eseche teachers na huni say omanga na nsese na mode aba na kire say abofra kura no ntumi nka impresa they say ye mo bi baba o obi anko bi basem school no ye ya wa wodea wa ye ya wa wasema they say akoya they say teachers na huni so man limit on powers nti ono so ha no ho de obetumi na obeye eye mo anamaye yanka teacher ni nko ba obi aba nku no ana wonko pra na at least there are some punishment bi we say tumi ma mofra no how come say oh I mean SHS headmaster at ho na ne ma we kwaso de ntia oni tumi obeka ho asem because mo na ma mofra no kwan ma ka kire mofra no de ye kokro won o ma ye kokro won se bofra abere no wo bo ne kese be pai temotum obo ase wo pese obo obi aba ba mo de state ya de kra wa ye ntia pese wo ka ne mpire no na twa bere ye ne ye nyintum no peni headmaster ansan na teacher wotumi aka mpire na headmaster ni ho a o ti de baba e wo mle bia bofra no jimi o pese o punish na je wo twa letter o state no de ba na o peni o permission na headmaster asana headmaster na tukwan bosom ya na say school ho no obi atumi de opa akopemra headmaster be banse waje permissions wa kampire ni me teacher ni ya me ha me ho kra yes me hwao me ba de enze me duty enze me kire wade me kire na wo fa wafa wamfa me fa ho me mo assignment wo ya waye
wa ya wa da cha
yes say say na mo ye schools no okroma wo camp on visa no ye dada man for but this is what is going on and to me a hwehwe manga na humasua so agye fa kire fo no nsem e na mo fo na kwasa ate bi anim and be teachers ni so wi bi fam this is na efutu fry what you say na efutu fry enti no enketo na be chia kese enkase be chenketwa enti ye besere mumma mene bi mu den we de ye bo maba so mo ye ne sa ye mpesi ye be hu bi wo sika bi a wahyecha da fia oba na ba fama ne fie o mumie ni masema mo betu party won kyenya mo nkoto ene ye mumma brabo ba school wo de ye mo nkoye sa bi ye besere wo sika bi a koto party won kyen enye school premises enye sanche kire de ma ye ma no ye dache ehu de magana disua de ba ko bra me de ma no si na me nua Kofi abam
yo Kofi bra me kakra anapen koma ye die na fe won so wa wutie no ya mo akonya ma won so afre Kofi ma me ti quick one
Hitman Saudi we ekoso yen ne at a point na boyfriend girlfriends say na girl be wie school na wadru school mo ne wa hye kawana wa ko pop champagne ana wa take 1 cedi note ana 5 cedi note no the gunu so young boy no yes Saudi we ye hu okroma say e kokoso a yanka wonhwe o and sisi no edru adane challenge this year no adane challenge eno no maamefo ne na eye maamefo no ne ba na wie school no na ne waba na wabe ma no 200 cedis note which are hu ba ko internet no na da so yi e che no Honda Civic e che ne ba Honda Civic enti no se akra ba ko tie tire ana young boy ba ko tie tire obedwini se bia ne maame mpe na asem ana Hitman ne menya adwen yeah obedwini se ne maame mpe na asem ana se asa ne maame pe na wa mmobra cause ne young ko maame ayeden abeche ne ba car we SSO SHSO ene abeche ne car ene o graduate wo university eji ne degree dia ene nice private jet
ya beche ne ship
ya beche ne yacht ene ship ene de beche no and people think say normal ebi mo so afa ne personal ene o mo ma fa ne personal no your problem with say other students in the no mo bedwene we indirect pressure na wato ama afoforo maame which is bad, very very bad. And Hitman aside we no krampo no now say no me say there is a lot Ghana Education Service need to do in the school. Ejuma wo papa Ghana Education Service wo ejuma ye ewo ye SHS schools ni mu. Hitman say omo ye SRC weeka and as omo ye entertainment ewo school ma he ubehu young boy na se minim se fraud no yo obi ama me de wa ba school o ma me ne tu school fees na 10 cedi notes ku tane bebre na watia no no fronte no tugu girls yi so teachers go on mo headmasters go on mo house mistress go on mo
na ya budget so
Baku we grandpa me hu na teacher enkra no other students no press on me face kan kra na teacher ni kra fra or taxis car or form. Yes, young boy 16 17 years. Sa 10 cedis note ne 5 cedis note na wa drip ya to so wa fa ne ho. And I ask myself say sisi ano this is the channel Ghana education ye dey kwa na. Obo say akra ba ku school no odwene say me young queen me nyina na eko school na ye nyina so ye maame ne ye papa no na tua school fees ma ye. Na ba ne say na 5 cedis note bebre e ho na fraud start you. If you don't know. E ho na pressure for other students. And ye schools ni mu ankasa na adwuma wo. Schools kro ya so na ba ku bia me hu apart from say ye be kan teacher ni students ni da no ba ku bia me hu after ye ko medicine ni israba ena me san de me se hu ba ku bia students na mienu e se one corner ene omo ho no mo da inti Ghana education ne de adwuma wo ha wo se mpanifo ekọ ehwe no mo ye da mo siesie ni ama wo ho no discipline no form discipline e wo ye schools ni mu e wo form. Akwa say there is no discipline. Aside say ye ka say ye ma students no ebia practical work so mo nya ne ade ade ne ye no free up there is no discipline. Ye no free up there is no discipline. And Ghana Education Service na ngasa no it was omo adwuma ye Hitman me de manual si na mpini form room. Right.
Me that say you go out so no pay na fe yentie won so wadwenche na my friend is 05 9340 6565 0534 050 199 6565 0534 050 199 and apen koma yedie no won so wadwenche and saying good morning.
Good morning, DJ Hitman.
Pache for saying
we are brave from an operator, Mr. Moore Cantama.
Me pacho ma miti wan pay.
It's not the air course on Kuala School coming now, made the blame need ma our phone. And a teacher for the moment now, only discipline, a free school, and I'm saying, oh, yeah, really. Because first night I go school, say, you're here with me, you're here with say, you're here with boy that. So one go Sunday school, your man numbers, by Saturday, and I say, a free home. Maybe you do me. You been to us.
You, brother, from here, that's a papa, pass that one, so what to me, friend. Good morning.
Good morning.
Patrick, Hitman. Me Patrick Frost saying.
Because your friend is Selena.
Casa free him for.
The Casa free, hey bro.
You, mammy to wanna pay.
Hey, Yamin Shram need my palm way. And then me first time my first station. Nkolana Casa be brain, ya ufonsi account. I didn't be a wound because of Bobusi idea ye. Into your damasi, and the Juma palm way, Yamin Shramina.
Amen. Yeah, that's it. Good morning.
Good morning.
Patrick Frost saying.
Okay, family time,
Rita man, this one of a mental can you pa why?
okay. Pata, me say me call girls to say they are more say more fun say baby, I see a come because they entertainment say I did a good no. Teachers now be prefer muna in my the self form when the teacher didn't do in a horse. Tell mono. Obia, he said ever person.
Mateme so me that say. Good morning.
Fine morning.
You Patrick Frost saying.
I don't question from them alias Aputo na Katan.
Brad John, mammy to wanna pay.
And I met someone in my family, papa. Last week I sent me copy in me. I said, I'm the whole day, maybe. And me hear mom, Emma Blaster. Don't need it. Akwada fono akwada mo a omoba so no ayewe bibia ne obet na stop no say ye de nyameso so odi otiti akwada wa nyameso enya asole call de so bia kwa asole but nyameso odi onipa ye tam ye religious ti ano mo so religious for school bi obo nye primary ye be so compostly ye be every Wednesday bia mo be call assembly after assembly no mo kwa asole ye bo bi opeti ti say say mo na any school bi say ye sonya me enu na eka na kwara mo so amusai no o sonya me a enya sole ko o kwara sonya me a o ko nya de oye no masa nya me sound na jima pa mo ye papa
Yeah, that's John. Good morning.
right manager also
All right, Van Sanope, what to say?
Nyame adaro mana monso e.
Nyame adom yeso ye ho ye papa.
Ya mekoso abomo abaso. Adaro ma minchia yewra bo acheja ko. Any doctor nkweti ya e wa sham. Mon fense nkwala ne ade. Eye den ne yemhwe akwala wo school. Yem panimfo no bi na nya ade. Omoye mu panimfo be brain kan kure. Wo mutama na wo ko school ne yemhwe wo school. Ubekaya na many Hitman unim say ebinum ye the helicopter na kofa won ye the plane na kofa won na omo ye skafo ma omo ye team wanimu a men to sebe the BS skafo nim bi manage Jimmy ohia ni ba na ye the plane be kofa no school say wa tro exam say wi ye ti omo enyim ena nkwala nketenkete eso phone si wo mso school di na na do atem wo bra no ye president the whole president yen penifo bi na omo be support nkwala no Ghana ya the phone go school and then nkwala no find the phone go school and na yen fata na omo ye nti yen kanche yen penifo no sabe me right man won to me ma order wo school this a Ghana penia on education service then na omo hwe nkwala me go school ya hwe me a me srompo se me kwa akoka and then ya tia akwala na wo fo no bi akofa bi no me yakọ bru teacher obi bo teacher na teacher no koye bibia na Ghana fo atu omo anu agu no so onu de moja yi ni mu oman no mu yen kan no kure yen kanti we hu ni oman na ye we ya ka cha na nwotwe na atwam ebi be sense biom ni rawo ni ya me ye adwuma
alright man Nyankopon anka wo so ho anope good morning.
Yeah, good morning Rakwa
Patrick Frosting
Patrick from Desmond assignment am free
Desmond ma minti wa anope
Rakwa anope mabojuma ya mishamo Felix asem na mo kan serious issue Andra na me share TikTok videos and me copy video bi so na o share I think one of the secondary schools na me name the junior na there senior no na o share senior no e papa junior na asuma in fact na ya hom tipa me share video no ma say makoma base inti dia course was secondary schools no mo there in fact Ghana ni na mu no me blame omo Ghana education service and this how when we na ba asama mo ken nipa be we school akwala so we junior high school I think that will be 17 18 19 that's a woman who kwan that's a boyfriend etimidi car ebe chew ewo school we be share awofo ni bi no na mo ahihye sika na wo akwache omo kwala no ewo school nti like light ben and I would throw into the system light ben and I would parents no would throw into the system morning amenya adwuma wa
Nyankopon anka wo so ho anope good morning.
Morning.
Patrick Frosting
Me George Mr. Mountain.
Ma minti wa anope
Yes, me taxi driver. Some for bon some na equation school. Baby, ayaw. Ebia, awo funi ni fani tina kamu. Ukomwa omudwe awo enanu enya mfani bi no. Ya utibia na asefu. Driver no utimi kami. Eti no awo funa ka sana president mufano ema omo ya sadia no minimum bi oh man for this year afani we school no na tin o truly ya afani be pepe o ma say be man obo o ta be man nten afa 17 years old ayoba o push be man no o push afano obayo no e da koma be man that is where be man police ni onko tan no so wow, let's imagine. It's a year.
Okay, right. But you chia man for nyina. Good morning.
Good morning, DJ Hitman.
Me Patrick Frosting.
Dixon Bada ko group ba me ka se fi the Christian region.
Me Patrick obri ni yankwai.
Na me shira mo. E na adwuma pambo ma Kristo. E na o man Ghana. Ni etipa ne se. E to da biti me bri ni teachers. It may be a Ghana education service for. But young Tony says a young hour for no soon, Qualanifi and Chanaku school, my friend when went to feed. To be able to should be what in a dictionary. Because I say, you better school. Now, or graduating as a Melco who be. Over sure, and look to say, will be better Chanabe. Because maybe it's a question. I am a said, I'm sure I'm be na yenga wo furi bebre ye ja onkola na ma won boys na won girls iti akora ni bi ko school ko na wo fokora nto bi bi ada eni je nto boy na wa hwew o boy na wa frawo ukuru mini pay ta na ekoso iti akora na nka so ko school wo wo funu mi se wa ware iti no be ye bia ye den emfa wo ifida baka asembi be kese pa akokora to fonga ekwa ablanti di mbati mu binu ye nti ase ablabo a wo bo na ebe de babu ntimi mo eno na wo se yen ye be bo na se ye papa ena yen papa no mo ye ma yen a eno so ya aba na yibika ye bo na nso a eno so ya ne be ye nti ye nyina ye wo fie se ye wo se tete we ma na nsa nwa nti ni ye be gina yen awofo no ye so biri ni nti nyame nka mo ba ba
Nyankopon anka won so ho anapai penetro sa ko babunu die mu maje. Hello. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Hitman.
Utiate maminti wa anapai.
Hitman, yamin sha mej ma pa moye. Odi aka ntim bisa ba tembi ateta utiti oba kwampa so. Nsa sabi uji ho kra na akra ne chenka ubetunye bi no ho ada sese. Ntete amede atiti me bei. Ni ho kra na minim se enya de obeye bibia ebegu ono akola na wo ba tan enu asi. Nti me fra ba tan. Mumbi antiti ya ma no wonyamishro kwa so. Sedo cha nu ni ho kra no a akola no obebo blapa ni tikafo a omumo ma ya ma omweje. O ticha akola ne de ma wo onyo ni ticha no nti ya se omumo ma no omunja de a ekoma ya ba ta no ya ekoma ya nya so a ekoma ya Hitman na mi sham ne eduma pa mo bo me
Nyankopon anka won so ho anapai. Good morning.
Good morning.
Prophet Ansa Tete Aguna
Thank you. I will control the word darkness. Adana had not to do her. Unia,
how with you?
What can say be? Now, how some of person my ye di na me sade. And yet, if a wonderful washes a side go school. Like I would jaw. I want to pick up for if a wonderful Dana Hano. Once a more from Bonia, over to my Aki de Juma. Now, oh, yes, squad, no man, the car. No one say when Dim say, and it's the response out. And respond up. It is some of our own control with Selu. I know what the bishop fee. I'm an Africa here, Benin, Togo, and Lumba. I come on, stop with Adina. And come on, for one for the bag. I can't have no I am. Now, Gala skit almost one in the hall. I will send your assets. Woman book, woman car. I'm a wedding. It will tell you, sir. Mamma, Miss Fordell, but you can't quit your money here. Or to quit it. It will from one hour school. What I want to check it. So come on, stop what? Or come on, check it. That will mean whatever I do, that will first make what for common. It is ready to in your book.
Prophet Ansa Tete Aguna Sodu ye dasi anapai. Good morning.
Morning.
Pacho Efro say.
Dodo.
Me pacho maminti wa anapai.
Hitman, Nyankopon shira mu papa. Nyame shira mu ne eduma pa moye. Na Bible kura say ejimi sambata bofa kuma ho. Nti so aba be ma na frere ho. Nti ade nti na ye fi entia mo fro wo school mu. But for mu ko school nyina ye tia mo. Enu nti na moduru ba bia moduru. Ana mama Ghana nkala nyina say we atwa. Esika fo mana omo ababo shebone. Nti omo angasa ma na wo ho. Nti omo ani da fo no mo tia omo ma no. Enya wo ba be we SHS. One year school fees, what is Ghana go come out? And no, I said, Professor will be bank or box one, and I will be cooking army. Nanya would dead. Almost see a young son or my Ghana, young coupon or Beba, no, so or do be a catch you up than a senior in Numasia. Young coupon Shram.
Nyankopon anka won so ho anapai. Good morning.
It's mine.
What's the?
Very much.
What's the? Hold on. Ade na wasa ye no nyeye.
It's mine.
Ye.
Yeah. O de branches won. Branches. So me can just say almost Saturday and the baso. And also nyeye ni e be share time.
What's the hold on. Anya de wo ka kire nshiraba. Want to mean fa wo pe en share time said de wo pe so ye. Mr. Respect yourself. What's the respect yourself?
But I make sure I say black child say or the French rubber. It's over preference.
You what's what? Mami too. What's the mami too?
It's mine. Ghana Education Service, I have to say Ghana Premier League. What I say? The pen near them, and yeah, no one for another auto car, Edama or back small girl. Also, who say, Nempany Becky, what I say? If you don't go to an amonto, yes, you may say my run side, Aje, Medase.
You, what's the menso Medase? I think, say, ha, and the phone in segment, no, the basic. Okay, so producers here for very final one. Now, yeah, sorry, so, good morning.
Good morning,
Patrick Fraser. Lena, I'm into you.
I'm okay, then I'm in Sham or Hitman. I'm in Sham or Papa, because they're about to be young. I'm out my animals at my head. You say, wouldn't it take our cat? One point doing it because they are copy tea, they are only be the brand on. And to not one way, maybe I know I ever saw. I'm in Sham or Peno.
Right, yeah, so yeah, that's a papa, pass it, or to me, a frequent a brasso, you're gonna feel sorry, so Sanze. We have other interesting programs coming up on our platform. Could you, mammy, too?
Black Obra, Yene tea for us. Na the Kenyan say, Yamofrano, did be dear Mumu Neno, a swabba, and a dachibia, Ibicha. Obia and Hodoma. Or the banchia question form, no choir and tools, and the 50 or so. A bean cedar. A henty in Musadia Bessere. She said the chrono. Of my Ghana, I saw a shard this yaso, a watch a fine so way. Titrunina, Cassian in Egina. I saw a show my Ghana whom I saw with a baby Amrenino. The Concromaka. Was a baby I this were the Hunino. Or mania bassa, or mine be any good leadership upon, or mine whom baby I to be bianfa. A sanity. So it's about time some bit me lay out policies a bit to me amboa. Na yet media control kolano school. Yamma or mufa who didn't kita or doors, said not mean about Concano. Those days a co school back over quite well sent. Me go for no man, quite well sent. Well, Moire. On Pabua, which I said the Tatadia show on what was one to sway a company. And even you cry Sunday, who's our sorry. Yamma who numbers who. After school, no, after sorrow, no, who so there's some numbers or not by a day because Nina teachers and was our records in Nina. In Tiabaflone ban on one has already know your discipline with fiance wedding or by school. And I am penning for more fast anti team and many the papa Tom and send a beginning in a day. Everywhere. No my jam of France and name Musa. Why are you so muppy? Ye no more pain, some human rights in Nina. You do baby, I hire. Dear Bessere. We Jenny Panafan with your money Pia. Now money Panaya the Enge. Dear Bessere. I say, who makes you so anxious, Pamain. Effing so, I will follow Sonio Master, they said, yes, and I'm a friend answer to a mohofo. Bema, we get about part as a wompana, actually, so we went to a toka channel, opening my being in Yajuma. Who will be better and proud of Madame Refi, Mummy and Masama, a family issue of. And one in I am one a Ghana education service. In your announcement, Ghana, school now for Boka or Yamahono, and Fancy Sansopa, and from Romain, any I will follow Mobusiana.
Okay, good.
Since I mess so, senior man. Eddie Awoda Baako abreme DJ Omarion which him say na down for Baako or any mate pa twetwem no na ne din de animunyam so ni animunyam ye ka se obi wa animunyam a na se nipa no odimu be yobeko bia ne ba ne mom na ye animunyam no wo mate ba mom oh okay that's fine enti se ne ba no mom ne animunyam no ana meboa wo mate ne friend say Abigail better enti DJ Omarion o say na down for ne din de Abigail ne ba ne birthday jide waka nyina ne se nyame nhira ne pi na wonya ne kese ompagya ne fira adumu nkwa adumu na ne pa bo nya ne se ono twede ya mponyankopon a ohira ba akwa ne wahia apem enu nti na ode edin animunyam de ato no so no enti o masa edin animunyam no eni nachi anopa awia ne anadwo ba bibia ode ne nan besie no na different fi ba yeso nya ono nyankopon a ohira ba akwa ne wahia apem no o hira no no man dati nya prom na dati o manyim nye penimpo mba ya kanifo papa ebadwen Ghana ho na ombode mbo na ho manim de o makwa akira enya ne bani monyam so happy birthday efri mia me nua ba DJ Omarion ne mate ani dindi Abigail ene afi nso ani nyam ne fada o mo kirem se nde yakopon hye na woda no onya ne so ko mapra prechira man bibia o pa bia ne nsa beka ne ne happy birthday once again to you ene nyam nhira pa na wani nyam no onkoso a enya ne kese DJ Omarion ene the birthday e bae
Kofi yako
Hitman yeko na yebede mpanimfo ase ni ayaken omomfanye adwuma na bibia nkoso ye wo eye schools awoduo mu na bibi anko so na nkura ne ntimi sua bibi Hitman Lumba wonyumbi o say me kama matamfo atene ne minim se matamfo doosu be me di konkonsen emu ma de ofun se o kame na memfi ho a mebu ofun fun mo ofun me ne adamfo nguro kwadwo me ne mpreko nguro atechem bebi aye me de pan o say be menim asemachi ofun na edi asemfun so ye papa tie ni din se wan tie ni din ahwe nanim be menim asem nachi ofun na edi asemfun Hitman bossa anyo no mam na me de pan yakopon yo kese no nsiro dobro ni na mo say banku party wate anande
me point me
and no bro say banku party
me point me ko
o say Hitman ko tam kraso o say ye na enti mama atam kutuku me de me ndi banku ndi no obey na fried rice amame.
Okay, so our son here be kono kwadwo okay gospel musician Sisi Chum.
Oh yeah, Sisi me
Sisi Chum. Ni kun Prophet Alex Chum.
Yeah, Prophet Alex Chum. Yeah,
World Vision Chapel.
Yeah, sure.
The Fire Temple. See yan kasem we en fanche Ghana fo nyina. Say Jumadi Kesia eba so kwesi da ebe. Kwesi da on the 5th of July. Okay. On the 5th of July 2026 next week Sunday okay. Prophet Alex Chum eto Safregana for nyina say God's favor Jumadi Kese no eba so kwesiada on the 5th of July anopa 8 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Kwesiada wato Safre Apostle Eric Kwadwo Fodwo
okay
Apostle Eric Kwadwo Fodwo enti wonyina eba Prophet Alex Chum
AM Paibo ana
AM Paibo
cause me chef flyer and just means ma me na bompaye
yes ye kwa bompaye I thought that was here to me bompaye
nipa de ohiam Paibo
nipa hiam Paibo and juma de no eba so Article Junction yes
so matena be 20 years old
ben golf filling station no can see odo call quantum pond so ho ana World Vision Chapel Prophet Alex Chum eto Safregana fo nyina say God's favor juma de no eba so ntie nyina niema bompaye yendi mpaye ne no bompaye esanse niema bi wono ma ene anika ye de mpaibo ene wakomche ene betumi adwiri sa niema no
the question ne say tell say me baby me am pese me kwata akiri na me kompaibo ni bi na e konkon no kuraka e wo kolentofo ho ma say ezi Corinthians yeah sure o se na nka no bie apono kakra ama nipa esenke mu ne pa eba nanso one mo kwansifo na wasi ho kwanti
ekwan kase bia bie
nanso akwansifo no doso
edoso
enti ne nyina ne say eye mpaibɔ pɛ ene tumi breki sa ne ma enti ebesere Ghana fo ne nyina ye nkwatai Prophet Alex Chum na yenko break niema hodo bi of 5th of July kita won sabos me de to sunum yenko prepare and Sisi Chum si oba ba ko Ghana anyumtofo ne nyom ba ko ye me de pause me komanim I bet you betia na bibi ya ye me
akojo wakatete brofo I bet you me tibi a che me catch I bet you we'll be there
yenko hia na ye nyina yenko bompa ya de ade obi ka zabra mpa ba medofo yi ope oyi ne nyina yenko break niema hodo
anapa ye nchia Prophet Alex Chum abuso ebra so e wose yakọ na Jumadi foforo eba
oda hu da chama na ni age na so me ni dia fem mese ye ni emre nka so na so ahwe ya amanyi nti akika me mre so asini akama ya samo akwada hu da chama na ni age obani twa na ni anani raho.
Thank you so much for being part of the show. You're from Hitman. I said I can see on Coma production team. Good morning and enjoy the rest of our programs.